Let's try not to say the same thing.
Okay.
Alright, fruit. Got it?
Alright.
3, 2, 1, grapes!
mango.
Okay, good,
That's
good,
good,
good. Alright, color. 3, 2, 1, blue!
Okay.
I don't know, we don't know each other. Okay, days of the week. 3, 2, 1, Wednesday!
It's correct! Oh my god!
But I'm starting to get worried about our chemistry. Okay, next is day snap.
Snap.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, Cheetos! Okay. Okay, next
Season.
is season. Okay.
lang naman eh.
Huh, no, there's like 4 seasons,
Like
babe.
seasons here in the Philippines.
You wanna make it 50-50?
Yeah. It's like a 50-50.
Fine, fine.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, rainy season. Okay, last one is coin flip. Alright.
Got it.
Okay. 3,
3,
2, 1, heads! Finally! Wait, no, that was
No,
bad.
that's bad.
Yay! Come watch your show on session! Woo!